With a brief understanding of the building blocks of SOLIDWORKS, we can now take a look at how the software is laid out and learn more about how to use it. When SOLIDWORKS is opened, we are met with the beginning splash screen. From here, we can create a brand new document by navigating to File and then New. Or you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-N. This opens up the Create Document dialog box, where we can choose what type of document to open. Let's go ahead and open up a brand new part. In the center of our view is the graphics area. This is where we can view the current part or assembly. To the left of the screen, we can find the feature tree, which provides an outline of all the sketches and features in the order they were created for the current part or assembly. Near the top of the screen is the Command Manager, where the most popular tools for certain aspects of designing can be found. We'll be using the Features, Sketch, and Evaluate tabs the most. Typically, SOLIDWORKS will automatically switch between toolbars depending on what you are currently doing, but sometimes you may have to switch to certain toolbars manually. To the right of the screen, we can find the Task pane, where miscellaneous SOLIDWORKS resources can be found. This is also where we can find the Appearances, Scenes, and Decals tab, where we can choose out of an assortment of materials, which have been organized into several folders. We can then select a specific material, and then select a color from the section below. In the next lesson, we'll take a look at Sketches, one of SOLIDWORKS' fundamental tools.